I offer consultancy in political arena, family life, profession, and corporate world. For a decade, I tried and gave proposal to big corporate world, and they could not reply me. I propose consultancy because for me, I use astrology, I use management, I use creative thinking, and the person engaged in the business. So I offer consultancy to even most ministries. However, they don't accept my proposal, and thereafter there are a lot of examples, or say every time I have proposed any government ministry, corporate world, or any famous personality, they never replied to me, and everybody of them got huge losses. It is not like that if they don't accept my proposal, I send some magic or such craft that they get losses. In a way, it is said, and I give offer to any ministry, corporate world, famous personality only when Mahadev or moon or higher energy ask me to propose them, because my fees is very scanty or very small amount, and they have no idea how much profit they can get if they accept my proposals. It is like they surrender to me and then everything will be fine. But such proposals I cannot give to everybody, to any client who want to show his horoscope. For one person I cannot do it. Big corporate world can give huge number of jobs, and somewhere I propose so that whatever fees I get, I put it in good use. Our country faces unemployment, and I have big plans to provide them employment. And I never registered my organization because there are millions of organizations, they get donations, and what they do, I don't want to discuss that. But I feel I should not accept donations for any good work, and I need big amount of money for my works, or say works of God, not mine, or works of the people, the underprivileged people. But my scale is very big. I am not the person who want to give jobs to 20 people. The start is a good, but somewhere being a thinker, and whatever I have created a world in my mind, I know to do this I need to work for corporate world or famous personality or government, most ministries, so that I get a fair chunk of money, and then I put that money in welfare works or works of Kalyan as acted by the highest energy. So, person to person, whoever wants to show their horoscope, that is a part of astrology. But when I propose somebody like government, famous personality, or corporate world, then they should note because they have no idea what amount of success they can get. And whenever I talk about their success and propose them, they feel like he is just like any another astrologer who wants to become a celebrity astrologer. I don't want to be a celebrity astrologer. There might be hundreds in our nation and across the world. I am not here for fan following. But there is nobody whose work is greater than me. And they should first see my work. And they would feel somewhere there is continuous flow of energy, and this energy can change the world. Like Mr. Elon Musk feels, they are already here. When questioned about aliens. But my viewpoint is something different. Many blame that Illuminati want to control this world. It's not about the control. The real Illuminati were always true, and they wanted a beautiful world. The people who came later used witchcraft. So arrival of Illuminati can never end in this world. The real ones who want to make this world beautiful, and the fake ones who want to destruct. Somewhere I have both in me, or say Saturnian or Jupiterian. So the one can bless, can too curse. But I keep away from cursing. I do not like it unless somebody blocks the way of the Kalyan, the welfare path. So I request big corporate world, famous personalities and governments, be it any nation. Because when I say, I mean it. Humans might not believe in miracles, but I say miracles can arrive. I like to solve impossible problems, and corporate world, governments and famous personalities have misfortune, many failures that arrive suddenly. So they can give me an opportunity, and then who knows, their opportunity shall start arriving. Alak Niranjan. Bharat Mata ki Jai. I have to make my country Vishwa Guru, the one who heals. India shall heal the world. India have love. India have culture. India have spirituality. India have belief in God. And I treat everybody as one. Be it America, Russia, they might have differences, but I am here and I propose to solve, and I can make even poor nations richer in a very short span of time. And I don't want to say much about me or what I can do. It's upon you how much you can surrender. Because my path is welfare and helping somebody directly implies that everybody is going to get benefits, monetary benefits and karmic benefits, as well as welfare of people. There are thousands of problems. Being a thinker, I give time to get solutions, and higher energies provide me solutions. I can take away some pains of people who show me their horoscope, but sometimes I feel, is it better to take away some pain of any person or take away pains or hardships from lives of millions? Then I feel I should keep on trying what I was trying from a decade. That's why I propose governments, be it any nation, be it any country, be it any corporate world of any country. I know they have hired top management people, but sometimes they should think that a thinker is always a different. A thinker is not made in a day. A thinker thinks. They must not forget creativity and imagination can bring everything. I hope with the blessings of Lord Mahadev, Lord Krishna, Sri Ram, everything is possible. Once you affirm your faith in me, I am tired of proving my strengths or my forecast. So, I am planning to conclude because I feel I have offered things that humans don't know from last for 1 decade, and somewhere I am tired because humans don't know what I can offer. They are selfish for gains they can arrive, but I would do work with only those who believe in welfare and taking pain of others. I am not asking them to give employment. Whatever fee I will take, I will use that money there. So I want to give consultancy, take a fees. I am not begging. I am not asking donations. I want to get my own money from my consultancy in my country as well as other countries. If corporate world or government of some country takes my service, then I will use half of my fees to provide jobs to people of that country or any other similar work that can that could change life of some people. And this does not mean 20-30 people. Even America, I offer them several times 1 million job, 2 million job. In many nations, governments say that they have provided million jobs. I don't know, people know it, what is the reality. But when I say, it simply means if 1 million, then it can be over 5 million. I always tell less. Whatever a thinker thinks, creates, imagines, sometimes it is very difficult for governments, corporate world to understand. If I reveal everything, then intellectual property will be lost. And once it is lost, nobody uses it for welfare. So I have devoted my life for welfare, but from last 10 years, I have seen no government, no corporate world, no famous personality could understand me. And that's why I have to make this video. There are a lot of videos. I have written some books. I have famous forecast also, and I have also some statements I gave, and whatever I wanted happened. I feel and I thank Goddess Saraswati, Surya Narayan, Mahadev, Shri Krishna. I am thankful to all. But somewhere I am also born here. I am also a human. And I feel when I go to somebody, offer them a big success to a successful man, more success, they feel they are the most brilliant human on earth. Somehow they should understand even a common man, ordinary man like me, can bring changes in this world. And it is an opportunity for them to allow me into their work and see miracles. Thank you.